Academic English Words You Should Know, Part 3. The words used in this video come from the academic words list. This is a list of the common academic words used in English. We are going to look at the last 6 words, their meanings, what part of speech they are, as well as how they are used in sentences. 13. Function. This is a noun, meaning the purpose for which something is designed. Let's have a look at this example. The website's main function is to help people find cheap flights. What this example is saying is that the reason for the website is to help people find cheap flights. 14. Identified. This is a verb, meaning to recognize something or someone. Let's have a look at this example. We identified 3 different factors that hurt the environment. So what this is saying is that they recognized 3 things that were hurting the environment. 15. Impact. This is a noun, meaning the strong effect or influence that something has on a situation or person. For example, what impact did not studying have on her exam results? What this example is saying is, what effect did not studying for her exam have on her results? 16. Indicate. This is a verb, meaning to point out or show something. Let's have a look at this example. The polls indicate that the students are unhappy with the amount of homework they get. So what this is saying is that the polls are pointing out that students are unhappy with the amount of homework they are getting. 17. Investment. This is a noun, meaning the use of money in order to receive a profit. For example, buying a house could be a good investment. What this is saying is that buying a house could help them make more money in the future. 18. Major. This is an adjective, meaning something that is greater in size, extent, or importance. For example, the city was struck by a major earthquake. What this example is saying is that the city was struck by a very big earthquake. Remember to watch episode 1 and 2 if you haven't already, to learn more frequently used academic English words.